With the 28th pick in the 2016 NBA Draft, the Phoenix Suns select Skal Labissiere from Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and the University of Kentucky.
So Skal Labissiere sort of continues both of the themes as John Calipari has a smile, a relieved look on his face as Skal gets drafted. Labissiere, coming from Haiti, his family suffered in that unimaginable tragedy of the earthquake. He was able to leave the country, came to the United States, ultimately played in Kentucky, and now is a first-round draft pick with Phoenix. And Phoenix, Dragan Bender, when a trade is completed, they're going to have Marquise Chris, and now they have Skal Labissiere. They got a lot of guys with the proverbial upside here.
Well, first of all, what a terrific kid Skal Labissiere is. Now, you're not going to get drafted because you're a terrific kid. He's got ability, too. But what he can do is he's got a terrific shooting touch. He's athletic, he's long, and he can really block shots. His timing in blocking shots and his block percentage is really good. He didn't play a ton of minutes last year because he was getting pushed around, and he did not rebound at a high rate. His defensive rebounding was not at a high rate. So he took steps back. I think a lot of people, myself included, when he came into college basketball, thought he was going to be dominant, and he was not that. He was way less than that.
And since he was not dominant, Jay fell to this late in the draft, and I'm comparing him to another stretch forward, Rafe LaFrentz, more of a finesse player, a perimeter-oriented player, had a really long career in the NBA. He played 10 seasons. He made a good coin, $84 million playing basketball. Now, how about this for Coach Cal? Bledsoe, Knight, Booker, and Skal, all members of the Phoenix Suns. Earl Watson, that'll probably watch for his job, but Coach Cal maybe trying to get an offer from the Phoenix Suns to come back.
I think one of those calls from his phone went to Phoenix.
No
Here
doubt,
goes
no
602.
doubt, no
so.
question. Coach Cal was back there working it.
I love the fact that every time Jalen does a comparison, he knows how much money has been made. I mentioned this a moment ago when you saw Skal get drafted. The earthquake in 2010 in Haiti, which killed hundreds of thousands of people. The Labissiere family was very fortunate to have survived it. Part of it was due to the fact that some of the furniture that they had built held some of the rubble off of them, made his parents more open to allowing Skal to look for a different path to enhance his basketball career, and one that culminates tonight by being a first-round draft pick. He is with Lisa Salter.
Skal, after everything that your family has been through, what did it mean to you to hear your name called and to be drafted into the NBA?
It was a great blessing. You know, we've been through a lot. I've been, you know, picturing this moment my whole life, and I'm very thankful to be able to be, you know, part of the NBA. So,
what was it like to be waiting? You were in that green room waiting for a while. What was that like, waiting and not knowing?
At first, it was a little, you know, nerve-wracking, but after a while, it was just like, it's God's plan for me. You know, wherever He wants me to go, that's where I'm going to go, and I know I'll be successful in the league. So.
All right, thank you very much. Right, congratulations to you. Reese.